Located in the highly desirable Bird Rock neighborhood of La Jolla, sits the spectacular single-story oceanfront home, 5544 Calumet Avenue. From the moment you walk through the European-style courtyard, you will be mesmerized by the panoramic ocean and coastline views. Recently redesigned by architect Tim Martin and rebuilt by Hill Construction, this charming beach cottage boasts 2 bedrooms, an optional room, 2.5 baths, and 1,562 square feet of living spaces. An open floor plan is accentuated by reclaimed Indonesian teak flooring and large windows showcasing the spectacular ocean views. Entertain in the spacious living room with open beam ceilings, where you can enjoy world-class sunsets from the comfort of your couch. A sliding door opens to an entertaining deck, ideal for overlooking the whitewater waves down below, while also creating seamless indoor-outdoor living. Inspired by coastal living, the gourmet kitchen is equipped with Wolf appliances, custom aqua blue tile backsplash, limestone countertops, a new retro-style refrigerator, and large center island with labradorite countertop from Madagascar that changes with the light and direction of view. Unwind in the master suite, complete with Onyx countertops, beautiful cabinetry, hand-selected tile, and a walk-in shower. The second bedroom has double-door access to the front courtyard, ideal for letting in the fresh ocean breezes. The additional room can easily be used as an office, bedroom, or playroom, providing plenty of space for all your needs. Delivering oceanfront living, the home comes equipped with stairs giving you direct access to the beach and water below, right from your patio. With the ocean at your doorstep, you can easily take a walk along the beach or enjoy a morning swim. Catch a wave at nearby Tourmaline Surf Park, a surfer's paradise. Just a leisurely stroll away, you can head to Bird Rock Coffee Roasters for your morning coffee. Enjoy dinner and music at Beaumont's, or end your night with drinks at LJ Crafted Wines. No matter what your interest, this charming community has it all. Located on a quiet street, offering rare stair access to the sand and boasting breathtaking ocean views, this beautiful home is the perfect place to call home.